Generor AI is a powerful new AI software that promises to revolutionize how businesses automate their workflows and manage their digital marketing. If you're curious about this just released software and want to know the 7 crucial things you need to know, then stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete understanding of what Generor AI offers and whether it's right for you. And if you're interested in trying it out yourself, I've dropped a link in the description where you can try Generor for free. First off, let's talk about what Generor AI actually does. It's designed to automate a wide range of tasks that traditionally required manual input, from content generation to customer support. What makes it stand out is its intuitive user interface and the advanced algorithms it uses to deliver results that are incredibly close to human performance. Whether you're in digital marketing, customer service, or content creation, this software can help free up time and increase productivity. One of the standout features of Generor AI is its ability to generate high-quality content automatically. This is a game changer for marketers and content creators who are tired of spending hours writing blogs, social media posts, or email newsletters. With just a few prompts, Generor can create engaging, SEO-optimized content that sounds like it was written by a human, saving you time and effort in the process. And it doesn't just stop at text. It can also generate images and videos for your campaigns, making it an all-in-one content creation tool. Another important aspect of Generor AI is its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and provide actionable insights. Whether you're analyzing customer feedback, monitoring social media engagement, or tracking the performance of your ads, Generor uses AI to uncover patterns that would be difficult for humans to identify. This can help you make more informed decisions about your marketing strategies and improve your ROI over time. But Generor AI isn't just about automation, it's also about personalization. The software uses machine learning algorithms to segment your audience and create personalized content tailored to their preferences. This level of personalization is crucial in today's competitive digital landscape, where customers expect highly relevant and engaging content. With Generor, you can deliver that. Now, if you're concerned about ease of use, you can put your worries aside. Generor is built with simplicity in mind, allowing users of all skill levels to take full advantage of its features. You don't need to be a tech expert to get the most out of this software. The setup process is straightforward, and there are plenty of tutorials to guide you through the features. In terms of pricing, Generor AI offers a free trial, which is an excellent opportunity to test the software and see if it's a good fit for your needs. If you decide to continue, the paid plans are reasonably priced and scale according to the size of your business. This makes it accessible for both small businesses and larger enterprises looking to incorporate AI into their workflow. And here's something worth mentioning. Generor's customer support is top-notch. Whether you're running into technical issues or simply need advice on how to best use the software, their team is available and quick to assist. This is a huge benefit, especially when working with advanced AI tools. In conclusion, Generor AI is a powerful tool that can help you automate tedious tasks, enhance your content, and make smarter decisions with its data analysis capabilities. If you're ready to give it a try, I've left a link in the description where you can test it out for free. After trying thousands of AI softwares, I can confidently say that this one is worth checking out. And don't forget to check the description for my recommended AI software list. These are tools I personally use and trust.